hair. I'm going to be using what is considered the crochet hair by Freetress. This is the deep twist. It's 22 inches. I got it in 1B. I really wanted it in like 4 because my hair is like dark brown / medium brown. My natural hair color, although it looks dark right now. I don't know how to explain it, but that's the color of my hair. I was going to do it very similar to the style here. I hope you guys can see. So she has the top braided and then she left the bottom out. This was $5.99. I had 3 packs at home already, but I think I bought like 2 more or 3 more because I did some research on YouTube and I did see some people said they use about 5 packs and their hair was pretty small. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to do it as feed-in box braids. I don't know if that's a good idea, but that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam gel to clean up my parts. I know I look crazy right now, and I'll show you why. And my rat's still coming. So I sectioned out my hair. The parts aren't clean just yet. So what I'm gonna do, I just did this as a rough draft. Up here, I started to braid into the parts that I wanted going this way. But I realized that's just a little bit tedious. When I get up there, I'll do that. I don't want them extremely small, but I want them small enough that it looks full. Like I don't want them too big because I don't think hair of this texture looks good when it's full. So this is it outside of the pack. This is how much is in 1 pack. So I'm gonna stretch it out and basically try to do feed-in braids. I'm probably not gonna film the first couple of braids at first because I'm gonna be back here trying and struggling to do my hair. So just bear with me, I'll be right back. Once I get kind of like to the top or whatever, I'll do little updates in between and I'll do a voiceover if anything. So wish me luck. So from right here, as you guys can see, I definitely sped up the video. Now where I messed up right there was not cleaning up my parts before I even started braiding. So if you're doing this like in days like how I did, I suggest that you part your hair in clean parts and then braid it into the little cornrows that I have right there, because what was happening was that my parts were not only not coming out clean, I had to go over them so many times, as you could see, just to get a clean, what I thought was a clean part. Because to be honest, you know, the girls that do my hair do it way better than this, but obviously I can't see the back of my head. So I would say what you should do is try to clean up the parts before you cornrow your hair. And right here, I'm just putting in the hair. I did find a little difficulty doing so because I'm not really good at putting in braids. This is why it's called a fail, because it... Alright, so let me take this down. It's like day 3 or 4 of me doing my braids and I failed. I'm just letting y'all know now. So the reason why I failed is because I'm not good at parting. I'm not good at parting. I'm not good at placing the braids properly, and I'm not good at gripping the braids. So basically, I'm not good at putting in braids. Okay, let's just keep it real. I'm not good at it, but I think I did okay. I'm not done, as you can see. I still have this. So what I did was pre-part them. Scratch that. Originally, I pre-parted my hair. Let me tell y'all, when you pre-part your hair, make sure the parts are clean. I pre-parted it and thought, okay, when I'm ready, I can just clean them up. No, just when you pre-part it, if you want to do it the day before, pre-part it, make sure your parts are clean. Make sure you have a really good rat tail comb with that little pointy tip. So being that I don't have that, I had to like bend the teeth, the first couple of teeth, so that I could just get this part, because when these shits is in the way, baby, it's not gonna work. So as you can see, this part is very nice, and the part that I'm about to do right here is very clean, but throughout the rest of my hair, you can see my parts are not good, and they're not loose, to be honest, but they're in there, but they're just not the way I would like my parts to look and for my hair to be. And they're not going anywhere. But so I'm gonna put in a couple so y'all can see. I watched a ton of videos to see how to do it. Now I've been taught so many times how to do this by different hairstylists. My cousin tried to teach me, and I still can never, like, the braiding thing is not my thing, like, I realize, but I'm gonna keep trying. Y'all gonna see. So number one, the problem was for me was the hair, because I was separating the hair all willy-nilly and it was not enough. So you're supposed to separate the hair where it naturally separates. So this is about the amount of hair that I'm using per braid, which is kind of a lot, but, and to be honest, I know not all my braids are the same size. I don't know how to gauge sizing. I kind of eyeballed it and that's it, okay? So I'm gonna do this one right here. You're gonna see, I'm like really ridiculous when it comes to this. So I loop the hair, whatever. So, oh shit. I think because y'all looking at me, I'm really gonna mess up. A lot of thinking goes into me braiding. Some people be closing their eyes. Like my mom be closing her eyes when she puts braids in her hair. I guess that's how she concentrates. I can't do that. Because next thing you know, I'm grabbing hair from the other part. Like, no. So, and as I said before, I'm using the Shine-In gel. I just put it all over my fingers and say screw it. As I braid, it's going to get onto the hair. That's it. And the other thing with this hair, you want to kind of go through the hair, like pass your hands through the hair as you're braiding down, being that it is not as coarse as braiding hair. To me, it gets knotted up really quickly, and that was another problem. Like I was wasting that hair. So right now, this was 4 packs of hair in my head, and like I said, the packs of hair can run you between $4.99 to $6.99. I thought I saw. I'm gonna do this style again because, to be honest, this was really easy in terms of the fact that I don't have to braid all the way down to the ends, and then what I'm gonna do is knot them where my hair ends, and I'll try to show you guys how I do that. So my braids are not neat, whatever. I don't really care. I'll figure it out one day. But it was kind of good because I'm off I was off from, Thursday? So at first I was gonna do what we call the pop smoke braids. And then I was like, no, because I'm gonna look like a dog. Straight up. Like when I put those braids in my hair, I just look like a dog. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So, comment if y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, the pop smoke braids sometimes can make a girl look like a dog. Or anybody look like a dog. So, alright, so I braided my hair in. This is all the extra bullshit hair that we don't need. Good. So, as you can see, this is the braid that I did. It's in there. It's just not the neatest. Like, and it's okay. What you can do, you could be like me if you're a beginner. Over time, you can go through your braids, and whichever ones you feel like is ugly, take it out and do it again. Just one by one. You don't gotta do your whole head. And my edges are not done. As I told you guys, I used to pull my hair. Anxiety. I don't explain it, but I used to pull my hair. I'm anxious, so it's time to go back now, and I'm really proud of it. just knot the ends. So this is where my hair ends. I know it's kind of frizzy. With this type of braiding style, to me, I can't get my hair to stay in. So I'll show you. Alright, so you see my hair stops about here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece over here and tie a knot around it. And that's what I'm going to do for all of my braids. Let's see if I put it into those braids. I did use a different texture here for these last two braids because I ran out. And this is the water wave texture. It's a little bit different from the deep twist. I will say the water wave is way silkier. And it is straighter in terms of that. And it blends right in. So right, I use the mousse. I braid my hair into like so. I just put a scarf on, or if you have a satin pillowcase, you can do that. I'm gonna probably lay down my edges tomorrow when I go to work. And yeah, so again, this is my fail. My hair goes down to my butt. You can't see, but it's 22 inches. I did not cut it in half because I like long hair. Alright guys, that's me failing at box braids as usual. Again. Alright, bye guys.